Hello guys, Philippine DW here, and today these are the fans that I've prepared this Saturday. So I prepared three fans this Saturday. So first we have the Hanabishi HIFF 160, got from a junkyard at 150 pesos. Next we have the Camel CDF 412. And here's the third one, the Union UGSF 1600. This Union UGSF 1600 has a body from a UGSF 1840. This model of UGSF 1600 also exists